Welcome to my in-depth review of MedxCom, a top-rated telehealth platform that's revolutionizing the way healthcare providers and patients communicate. I'll take you through the website, starting with its clean and intuitive interface. MedxCom is designed to facilitate HIPAA-compliant communication, making it a secure and reliable solution for managing patient data. Right on the homepage, you're greeted with a quick overview of its main features, including secure messaging, appointment scheduling, and teleconferencing. The layout is straightforward, ensuring that even first-time users can navigate with ease. As I dive into the features, I noticed that MedxCom prioritizes both efficiency and security. The secure messaging system is seamless, allowing healthcare providers to exchange sensitive information with patients without worrying about data breaches. Scheduling appointments through MedxCom is equally simple, thanks to the built-in calendar integration that syncs effortlessly with other platforms. Patients receive automated reminders, reducing no-shows and improving overall communication. Another standout feature is the teleconferencing tool, which enables video consultations directly through the platform. This eliminates the need for third-party apps and ensures a smoother, more professional experience. The video quality is impressive, and the interface remains responsive throughout the session. Healthcare providers can also access detailed patient records with a few clicks, streamlining the consultation process. In terms of customization, MedxCom allows providers to tailor notifications, set availability, and even integrate billing systems for seamless transactions. The analytics dashboard provides valuable insights, such as patient engagement rates and appointment trends, which can help practices optimize their services. Throughout my experience, I found MedxCom to be a robust and user-friendly telehealth solution. It caters to the needs of busy healthcare professionals, offering them a comprehensive toolkit to enhance patient care. Whether you're a solo practitioner or part of a larger practice, MedxCom delivers efficiency, security, and convenience in one package. If you're considering a telehealth platform, I highly recommend giving MedxCom a try. Don't forget to explore their free trial option to see how it fits into your workflow. Thanks for watching this review. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more honest reviews like this. See you in the next video.